Hi everybody, Miss Divikar here. I'm going to show you how to work through our next assignment. So as you can see right now, I'm on the page for band, and this is going to be for band, choir, and orchestra. So you'll follow the same directions, just with different pieces. This is a listening assignment. So what you're going to do is go down to Battle of the Bands Week 4. If you're in choir or orchestra, it'll say Battle of the Orchestras or Battle of the Choirs. And you're going to go over, and as you can see, there's it's unpublished right now, and it'll be published by the time this video is up and ready for you to all watch. So if you go to directions, it's time for Battle of the Bands. After listening to 4 musical works, we're going to decide which piece is the best of the lot as a class. Your vote counts big time. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to the Battle of the Bands template where you can see the face-off. Ms. Divikar will be keeping track of the votes. So if you go to that page, you can go to the Battle of the Bands bracket, PDF, and you can see, just like March Madness in basketball, we have the same kind of bracket. So as I wait for that to load, you're going to see 4 pieces. There's going to be, for band, March of the Trolls versus, let it load up, versus Critical Mass. Oh my gosh, taking forever to load. And then on the other side, there's 2 more pieces, Festive Overture and Letter from Sado. So this is a little small. You're going to have to zoom in to be able to see, but oh my gosh, there we go. But you can see there's round 1, there's the face-off, and there's the champion. So we're going to pick the champion as a class. Critical Mass, March of the Trolls, Festive Overture, and Letter from Sado. So that's going to be super fun, and this is where I'll be keeping track of the votes. So you can go check that out for yourself. Then what you're going to do is watch the listening guide video. So I'm going to show you here on this other tab when it loads. Right here, listening guide. This is a YouTube video that I made. It's pretty long. And it shows how I, as a semi-professional musician, would work through a piece and work through how I would listen to it. So we're going to do it much simpler, but it's a really good idea to look at that and watch it all the way through so that you can see what kind of thing I'm looking for. So the next direction says, fill out the before listening questionnaire. So before you listen to the piece, you're going to click on this questionnaire, and it's going to ask you 3 questions. So you want to make sure that you've listened to the listening guide video, because that first question is, what is one big takeaway Ms. Divikar wanted me to understand from the listening guide video? Then it's going to ask you 2 questions about the 2 pieces that you're listening to, and then you'll submit it. And then after that, let's go back here to Schoology directions. Listen to both pieces linked down below after you fill out the listening questionnaire. So here are the 2 pieces. I'm not going to play them right now or I'll give them away, but I would like you to listen to those pieces all the way through. They're about 3 minutes each, and honestly, they're 2 really, really good pieces. Then, once you've listened to them, you're going to fill out the after listening questionnaire, which is right here. And as it loads, let me just pull that up. You're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. And this 4th question is super important. Which of the 2 pieces did you like better and why? And when you tell me which of the 2 pieces you like better, I'm going to tally 1 vote for you. And then as a class, we're going to vote on the best piece. The other questions ask you, what did the first and second piece make you imagine? And why is it important for a musician to listen to a recording of a piece that they're going to perform? So all of these are super important questions. Make sure you take this questionnaire. I know it kind of shows up as a quiz, but it's really a questionnaire to see how you listen to the piece and what you like. Now, note in the directions here, if you would rather do the questionnaires in an in-person format, like if you want to talk through what you're hearing, or just if you want to see my face, send me a message with a couple of possible times that would work for you to meet. I can meet almost any time. And happy listening, may the best piece win. So I'm going to link this video so that you can see all the directions and me talking through the directions down below, so that if you need a refresher on exactly what you need to do, you would have that refresher. So again, make sure you go through all the directions. They're right in order. Read the directions, watch the listening guide, do the before listening questionnaire, listen to the pieces, the after listening questionnaire, and if you'd like to, watch the Battle of the Bands bracket. All right, see you all later. And if you want to see me in person, just send me a message and I would love to do that. All right, bye.